guys, day 2 of having chickens at my house. So if you didn't see day 1, I just made a quick little vlog with me chilling with the chickens. So yeah, this time I'm actually gonna show you the stuff. So wait, let me just flip the camera. So as you see, most of the chickens are under the little heater. That is the heater. This is where their food is, and that's their water. They also poo a lot. Look how adorable they are. Wait, I'm gonna have them do a vlog. Oh, the chicken just pecked the screen. Oh my gosh. I think... Say hello. Okay, now I'm gonna show you the other ones. Look. It's yourself. They all like looking at themselves. The rest are just like under here. I think I can sort of show you. Tell me if you see them. Okay, anyways, now I'm gonna take the phone out. Okay guys, this is me holding one. He's so cute. His name is Bob. Oh, I forgot to tell you their names. This one's Bob. The other yellow one is Waffle. The big black one is Penguin, and the little black one, I don't know if we have a name for it yet. Come back for the final part. Bye. Waffle says bye too. Say bye. And final chicken, goodbye. Oh gosh, it's chirping it. Bye guys. This one's a silly little guy. Final goodbye. See ya.